guys, so I started off with a freshly dried hair. I don't have any type of product in my hair, it's just my hair alone. Then I basically section my hair off in two, and I further went to make my little sections to do my twist. I didn't want anything too small, so it's just like a big size, just perfect enough for me. And I first started off with my spray bottles so I could dump in my hair a little bit, so the curling cream can take it. I used the Mark Anthony curling cream, which is a first time for me, and I went ahead and worked that in from the ends first, and then I worked myself up to my root because that's more important to me than anything, to make sure I get my ends in first. That way I know my hair is gonna have that curl at the end for sure. Then I went ahead and used my mousse to get a little bit more volume to my hair. I worked that in as well as much as I possibly can to get from the ends up to the root. Work it in real well. It's gonna prevent it from frizzing. And I used my brush, to get my final touches, and then I start twisting from there. I just basically twist it around, according to how I want my twists to come out. So I twist, as you can see, the direction that I'm twisting, and as I twist, I just use my left hand to hold, and then I use my right hand to twist. And while you're twisting around, you want to continue to keep twisting it as you're turning it around. Keep twisting. That way it's gonna, stay nice and firm. And when I reach the end, I make sure that I twist the end very good, and then put that under. And that's how it's supposed to look. And then I use a rubber band. I know the best thing to use is a bobby pin, but this is my first time, you guys, so I ended up using rubber bands just to speed up the process. But Lord knows, I tell you, I should have used the bobby pins. So once again, you guys, you keep twisting, and as I said, I use my left hand to hold while I'm twisting with my right hand. Then I use a little help from the left hand to turn it around, and then I go again with my right hand to keep twisting it, and then turn that end and push that right under, and then I put the rubber band in, and that's it. That's what I do for the rest of my hair. And it basically came out nice and firm. Even though it was a little bit too tight, I was satisfied with the way how I did it. But you guys should try this. Go ahead and unravel these babies for you guys. Mind you, I didn't mention before, but I had these twists in for like 3 hours, so it's not fully dry, but it's a little dry enough to take it out now. So I'm gonna basically unravel it and show you guys the finished look. Okay, so first I'm gonna use my Do Grow Stimulating Hair Oil. I don't use any special or specific oil. I just need an oil in order to, put on my hands to make sure I don't cause. I just need a little bit to put on my hands so I could go smoothly through my twists and don't cause any, frizzing or anything like that. I don't want to cause no frizzing and stuff, so I'm gonna go through it with the oil so I could have like a smooth feel when I go through it. So this is how, and this is how I twist my, this is one that I twisted, so I'm just gonna do it like that when I take it out. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more oil. I don't want too much because I don't want to like overweight my hair, you know. So this is how it looks right about now. Let me show you guys how it looks from the back. So yes, you guys, this is the finished look. This is how my hair is after I unraveled all the twists. Unfortunately for me, I was kind of surprised, but I expected more, but this is my first time. I'm amazed. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, and welcome to my channel. Have a great one.